In this video, I'm going to be doing an intense room transformation. So I bought a ton of stuff from like Amazon, Urban Outfitters, that I'm going to show you guys that I bought for my room. I'm not sure what's in this box, but we'll see. I ordered some new like throw pillows. I really don't know what this is. So this first package is a duvet cover set. It's just white. I've just been wanting a plain white blanket to sleep in, you know what I mean? I may have done something that's kind of stupid. So I thought I was just buying throw pillows, but I just bought a throw pillow like cover. So I don't know if I have actual pillows that are gonna fill these covers. This one just looks like this, kind of like bohemian. I got some very like furry pillow covers because I really like this look. I think it's super cute. I got two. Hopefully I can find pillows to put in those. I have some throw pillows that I got for Christmas time, so I think that they're gonna fit in here. This next package is going to be from Urban Outfitters. I ordered a throw blanket from here. Right now, I'm just unboxing everything for my bed, but I have a dresser coming in, a chair coming in, and some other things for my room coming in. This blanket was like $80, so I don't even know if that's worth it. It is very cute though. I was really going for that like bohemian vibe. Bohemian, but like still basic. Now I'm gonna show you guys the last thing from my haul, like at the moment. I ordered a poster from Redbubble. I plan to put this poster near my bed. It was like $30, which I feel like is alright for a poster. I feel like posters have been really expensive, but at the same time, it's like just a piece of paper. It says, focus on the good stuff. It's really big. So this over here is like my Christmas pillow box. This one is way too big, so I'm not going to be using this one. But I did find this cute reindeer one along with this other like moose one. I have the small green one that I'm going to use for this one. Okay, this one is way too small for this pillowcase. I'm actually so excited for this room transformation. This is to be dealt with. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So one of my Christmas throw pillows, I guess you can't take off the case, so I kind of struggled with that. It's a lot less soft than the other ones, so they're like different textures. I really wish you could take the case off. It is what it is. Oh, these instructions make no sense. So I may or may not have procrastinated putting on the duvet cover for 2 days. Once I got to it, I just like cleaned up all my packages and I put the duvet cover on my comforter with my mom.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they even follow.
She was a big help because I'm kind of clueless. And then I just set it on my bed and then I put my throw blanket over and it just made a world of difference. Like I love my bed right now. So this is where my bed is currently at. I put my Urban Outfitters throw blanket on my bed, which I think added a lot. Right now I definitely have that much color. I added my little Target plant over there, which definitely helps. This is the poster I plan to put up, but I'm actually planning to exchange this poster. I got the poster in like a glossy print and I realized that that actually won't look good in my room, so I'm gonna exchange it for matte. Guys, it's so freaking exciting. My dresser that I ordered for my room transformation video has arrived. It's so freaking heavy and came in like 3 parts. As you can see, I have a bookshelf over there and I really don't like it. I really don't like how it exposes everything. I just feel like it looks so colorful. So if you just look at my room, like this is like a pretty neutral space, you know, nothing too colorful. And then we just have so many colors. It just doesn't look good. And I was thinking if I have a drawer, then I can put a lot of this stuff in my closet and more of my clothes here and it'll just look better. So to prep for this, I'm going to try to like move this and take stuff off. Please comment below because I'm genuinely curious, but do you guys find these clips like satisfying or boring? Like, please comment. I finally finished clearing my bookshelf, but now I gotta clean all this crap. As you guys can tell, I have like a ton of organizers here, but I feel like they're all so ugly. I kind of want to get like some wooden organizers. I made my brother help me with building my dresser because guys, building furniture is actually like kind of hard, you know, putting things together. It was just super helpful to have a male hand.
Give me.
He low-key carried most of the weight of the project, but he didn't even let me help. Like, look at this clip.
Explanation. Red solo cups all over the floor and your friends passed out sleeping in.
Okay, that's enough.
We just spent the rest of the night putting the dresser together and it was ready in the morning. So I of course have a ton of mess in my room, but I'm so happy that my drawers are all set up. Basically what I have to do right now is just put my clothes in here, and once my clothes are in here I can move all my other stuff to my closet. I don't know exactly how I want to do it though. So how I'm organizing my drawers is that the first two just have like socks and underwear, and then the first big one just has my tops, and then the next one has my bottoms, and then I just have some workout clothes, and then just an empty drawer that I plan to put some like supplies in. So since I now have my dresser set up, I'm just putting all my clothes that are in my closet into the correct dressers. This didn't take a lot of time because I've honestly been selling a lot of my clothes, so I don't have many left. I just have my like favorite pieces. This is my makeup organizer. So this jewelry organizer that I have is super cool. You actually put it on the wall. So my mom and I did it together. You just have these like pasty things that stick to the wall, which is super helpful because I want to try to avoid nailing things to my wall. We used a stabilizer to try to make it stable, but I think it was still a little lopsided. So we just installed this super cute like jewelry organizer. I feel like this is kind of a look, right? I also decided to hang up this super like corny sign. It says like keep inspiring, all these sweet things. I just think it's gonna look so cute next to my jewelry organizer. And I also have that Redbubble poster I told you guys about. I decided not to exchange it, but I actually got a refund and they told me I didn't have to send it back, so I just have a free poster right now. So I'm thinking like might as well use it. So I just put it underneath my parents' mattress to get the poster all flat. So I purchased this like really cool organizer for makeup and skincare. I'll insert a picture of it right here. I just love the concept. So we're gonna be putting it together. I feel like it's kind of complicated. It's very customizable, which scares me. I'm like not good with instructions and manuals, but I feel like this room transformation video has been making me better with instructions and just putting stuff together. So far, I'm doing well. So I pretty much finished it. I'm actually really proud of myself and it looks so cool. Now I'm gonna go grab all my makeup and just see how it all fits in here. I honestly highly recommend that you guys get this makeup organizer because I really like the way that it organizes vertically, so it's taking up less room. Now I'm going to be putting my jewelry, these earrings, on the jewelry organizer and just trying to clear my dresser right now. I also have some necklaces in here. They're literally all tangled. I just finished organizing it. I love it so much. It's just so much more organized than my prior strategy. So a quick update on my Redbubble poster. Since I ended up getting it for free, I'm like, why not put it up? So I put it up with some sticky tack. Sticky tack is really nice for putting things on the wall securely, but not so it has residue forever. Now that I'm actually looking at my poster as I'm editing this in my room, I love the color it adds to my room and just the positivity. Focus on the good stuff. Like, I love that. So my chair may or may not have been in transit for 3 weeks. The USPS has just been slower lately, but before we get onto this footage, I just want to say the chair is from Wayfair, but I do not support Wayfair. I did not know prior to ordering my chair that they are linked with sex trafficking. I just want to apologize for that because I was not aware of it before. My chair from Wayfair just came. My dad is being so kind and helping me set it up. It's actually a few weeks later because the chair took 3 weeks to get here. So I've already started online school, which is why I can't really be hands-on with this chair, but I'm gonna set it on a time lapse so you guys can see the chair being set up. But I love it so much. I wanted to find a swivel chair that looked nice but also had a swivel because a lot of the swivels were ugly. I'll show you guys pictures of a lot of those swivels, but I just love how sleek this chair looks.
Threw yourself a party and you chose not to invite me.
Wow, how fast. My dad just finished my chair. Goodbye, this ratchet chair. My first impressions of the chair, y'all. Ooh, really comfortable. The swivel's a bit stiff, but I don't even move that much, so it's fine. This is so nice because you can like lean back on it, and it looks so cute, guys. Like, this just looks so much better than my old chair. This is so exciting. My room transformation is finally done. This video has taken like over a month, so I'm so happy to show you guys the final room. So when you enter my room, you see my new and improved bed. My bed used to be pretty ugly, but I love all the throw pillows I've added. This throw blanket literally adds so much, and I have my plant up there. I have my Redbubble poster. I love this jewelry organizer that I installed. I got my quote, got the dresser utilities. I am so happy with this dresser, and this has been so helpful to me. I use this dresser so much more than I ever use my bookshelf. My closet, we're not even gonna get in there. A closet transformation is a whole nother video, guys. Not much really changed over here. I still have my plaque, my mirror, just some laundry stuff. But my desk, I got my new chair, which adds so much, guys. This is what my final room is looking like. I just love the organized and minimalistic vibe. I will definitely be filming a room tour if this video gets to 20,000 likes. That's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.